In a time when screens are becoming larger and brighter, screen time is increasing despite warnings. Ink displays offer a break from the fast refresh rates and radiance we're used to. The question arises, should your smartphone have an ink display? Today, we review the Bigme Hibreak ink smartphone to answer that very question. The main feature of the phone is its 300 ppi ink display. Two versions are available, a $249 black and white version and a $279 color version. The black and white variant here has an etched glass display that enhances contrast. Android functions smoothly on e-ink with the launcher, quick actions, and settings optimized for this type. The e-ink control center allows customization of display settings per app, including an extreme mode that increases the refresh rate to about 20 fps. While this may seem low, it's quite impressive for ink, making scrolling fluid and providing excellent sunlight readability. Despite its nature, the phone is usable for tasks like gaming, though it's not exceptional. Additional features include a customizable always-on display, with options like a clock and calendar view. A quick action button, though slightly high on the device, is another practical addition. Users can set it to perform tasks such as full-screen refresh or opening the ink control center. However, the software is somewhat outdated. The phone ships with Android 11 and a security update from January 2021. While Bigme has issued updates, these have only addressed the apps and interface, not the Android version itself. The camera, though functional, is basic. While competitors offer dual cameras with 50MP main shooters, the Hibreak comes with a single 13MP camera. This is sufficient for tasks like document scanning, for which a dedicated app is provided. The phone's build quality is impressive. The material around the sides seems durable, possibly a composite metal. The design is solid with no flexing, and the device features a USB-C port under a SIM or micros tray. The device runs on a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, similar to the one used in Bigme's ink notepads. While suitable for an e-reader, this chipset struggles slightly in a smartphone. Competing devices at the same price point, like the Moto G, have much faster processors, making third-party apps feel sluggish despite the 6 GB of RAM. Interestingly, the Hibreak lacks both a dedicated speaker and a vibration motor. All sound is emitted through the earpiece, which is loud enough, but the absence of haptic feedback is unusual for a smartphone. This suggests the phone is more of a hybrid between an e-reader and a full-featured smartphone. The 3300 mAh battery provides about 5 days of intermittent use. The phone's compact form factor makes it more portable than any Kindle device, and the ink screen excels at reading. For users who primarily use phones for calls and texts, this phone, with Android's added features, could be an appealing option. Although the phone lacks a headphone jack, its 128 GB of storage makes it an ideal music player. Access to streaming services enhances its versatility, making it an enjoyable device for music enthusiasts. The ink screen adds a unique layer of functionality, such as improved GPS performance due to its long battery life and visibility in sunlight. While there are compromises to keep the price competitive, the Hibreak offers an intriguing mix of features. It serves as a great middle ground between e-readers and smartphones.